In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import invoices into Xero in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing your accounts for a small business or a large corporation, learning this efficient method to import invoices will surely save you time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software login page. If you're new to this, make sure you have your login credentials at hand. Once on the login page, simply click on the login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. After filling in the necessary details, hit the login button again to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you've logged in, let's navigate our way to where you can import invoices. On the dashboard, you should see a tab labeled Business. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page, where you can manage and track all your invoice activities. Next, locate and click on the Import button. Xero provides a convenient import tool that helps streamline your workflow. One of the great features here is that Xero allows you to download a template to make sure your data is formatted correctly. Look for the Download Template option and click on it. This template serves as a structured guide to entering your invoice data, ensuring that everything is in the right order when you're ready to import. With the template downloaded, open it and carefully copy your invoices into the corresponding fields. It's important to follow the format of the template to avoid any issues during the import process. Make sure every piece of data is complete and accurate. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, you're ready to move on to the next step. Return to your browser where you should still have the Xero import interface open and click on the Browse button. This will allow you to search your device for the template file you've just prepared, select your file and you should see it queued for import. Finally, it's time to click on the Import button. This action will begin the process of importing all your invoice data into Xero. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments. Xero will notify you if there are any errors in the process, so keep an eye out for any notices that might require your attention. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully bulk imported your invoices into Xero. This process not only makes your accounting tasks easier, but also ensures accuracy and efficiency in handling your financial records. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your finances.